Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your address in the Starling Bank in 2026. For that, first of all, you just have to open your Starling Bank application on your phone. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now inside the application, you just have to tap on the option of menu, which is available on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you are here inside the menu, you just have to tap on the option of settings, or you can also select the cog wheel if you are using it in your Android. Then select the option that you want to update. So since it is the address in our case, you just have to simply press the pencil icon right next to it. Afterwards, you just have to simply start providing the new address details. When you are done, make sure that you click on the option of save in order to save all of the changes. Now, as soon as you save the changes, you are going to see your updated information there in your settings. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.